Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are viewing from. This is the app Chat and Get Paid. So this is it. This is one of the app where you chat and get paid with lonely people. Okay. Now, as you can see, this is the amount I have accumulated. Now, the previous ones that I've withdrawn, I'm going to show the screenshots at the end of this video. This is called TIGO app. Now, before, the first thing you are going to do here is when you enter the app, you are going to sign up with your email and your whatever. You are going to sign up with your email, and you don't need a password, just your email. Then you come in. When you come in, there's an invitation code displaying on this screen you are seeing right now. This invitation code, what you are going to do is, when you come over to this place, because it's that invitation code that you will use to be given a certain credit here, as you can see. So what you are going to do is this: when you get that invitation code, mine doesn't have bind invitation code because already I am now a pro. Okay, I'm not new. Now for your own, we have bind invitation code. You click on bind invitation code and the code will be there. You just click on bind to bind it. Okay, now it's very, very important that you use that code so you can get more credits before you start earning. This is how the app goes. When you click down here, this first place, you are going to see people to chat with. If you are a man, you are going to be seeing women here. You have a woman, you are going to be seeing a man here. Or if you're a girl, so these are the people you can chat with. And if you don't know, all these ones with these blue dots, they are online. So if you want to chat with anybody, just click on it and then drop a message. Of course, the person will reply the message for you later. Drop something good, something something nice. And then this place now, you have party, you have people. Okay, now go to the second arrow down here, this place that they draw something like word down here. Click on it. Now you are going to see these are different people that are already in the app. Once I click start now, a random call will be assigned to me, and then that random call that random call that will be assigned to me is what will be generating me this amount of points up here, as you can see. So once I click on it now, but I don't want to click, I don't want to show anybody's face, it's private. Okay, now the third one is this place is where the messages enter. Now let me take you through. Where are those messages? Let me show you something. These are the people that I invited. Let me show you some. Oh God, the message is not there. I wanted to show you, like when somebody say hi, I wanted to show you. I don't know what happened. Did it delete? When somebody say hi, how are you, you are going to see a certain amount of credit will be credited to you. That is the lady. Do you get? When somebody drop, if you are chatting with somebody now, you see a certain amount of credit will be credited to you. Okay, and then this last place now, this is where you click to check all your earnings and everything. But if you want to have more calls or more people to chat with, see what you are going to do. Look at this, becoming an IP. This become VIP member. Click on this, become VIP member. Then you are going to see 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, depending on the one you want. And if you look at it, they will say more 10 message 10 more strangers per day, honorable identity mark. So if you are to pay this amount of money here, that means you are going to be assigned to a lot of callers and a lot of messages. If you pay this, the higher the amount, the higher the quality. You know how it goes now. So that is it. And then when you are done, if you want to withdraw your money, you can know that some persons will say, what about withdrawing? How do you do withdrawing? Click on this place, they say withdrawal, to withdraw your money. But first, if you want to withdraw your money, they have 3 means of withdrawal. You put your withdrawal amount. Is either use PayPal or ePay or USDT. Now, if you don't know how to access these 3 accounts, I've made a video on how to create ePay accounts. Then I have already made a video, but I've not posted on how to create your PayPal account. Then if there's any way you want me to help you with any of them, you tell me and I will give you, like I will tell you or make a video of it on how you can go about that. So that is just to withdraw your amount, and each 100 credits you are seeing is $1. Each 100 credits you are seeing is $1. So currently what I have here is 47 points. That is 47 credits. Now when the credits accumulate to 2,000, you know what that means. Let me show you with more screenshots about it. So but if you are a man using this particular app, you are going to, when you come to this place that they wrote my token, chat settings, my level, rating, become a VIP, you are going to see daily tax. That is for boys. You see the tax you are meant to do daily to get your own earnings, and the people that will be assigned to you are going to be the opposite sex. But mind you, do not say I did not tell you. You see this app, you go see shege. If you are ready, you are going to see shege. So if you really know what you are here for, you go straight to the point. If you don't know what you are here for and you see shege and start shouting, ah Jesus, you're on your own. No,